And perhaps vacuuming is more important than carpet cleaning, whether or not you're using the VLM or hot water extraction system. And you can see the literature that we have here displays how important vacuuming is, right? This isn't just my opinion. This is the opinion of the Carpet and Rug Institute, and they are known for independently and scientifically testing carpets and machines and products that are related to carpet. So it's very important to keep that in mind and just read over some of this literature and see, because if whether or not you're a homeowner or you're a house cleaner, janitor, carpet cleaner, whatnot, it's very important to understand that you can prevent this kind of wear on your carpet, right? You see that wear, the wear pattern? There's a traffic wear pattern right here. This is by a doorway. And a lot of this can be prevented, correct? You can't necessarily prevent wear, but you can prevent a lot of the damage just by vacuuming. And take a look at this. You can see how the wear patterns develop, right? A lot of the wear patterns develop because of the damage. And frequent vacuuming can really prevent some of that damage. And you can see right here what you can do. Vacuum 1 to 2 times a week, and that could prevent a lot of damage. Now, if you're a carpet cleaner, you own a little business, I don't think we stress it enough about vacuuming. I try to stress it with my clients. The house cleaners understand the importance of vacuuming, right? The general cleaner understands the importance of vacuuming, whereas the carpet cleaner maybe overpromises and says, oh, well, we can get most of this out. We can make it look a lot better. We can do this, we can do that, which to an extent, carpet cleaning can, right? But it's really more preventative maintenance. It's like brushing your teeth before you go to the dentist. Brushing your teeth can prevent cavities. And then more extreme measures to repair cavities, more invasive measures. So once that damage is done, it can't be reversed. True, we can make it better, but this right here, vacuuming, not only can prevent a lot of the damage to your carpet, it's also provides a healthy atmosphere. Vacuuming basically helps clean the dander and dust and dirt out of your most important filter in your home, second to most important filter in your home, right? So it's very important to vacuum. And here, this is a job we're doing, and we're performing vacuuming. Now we're trying to do the backstroke, a proper backstroke, a very slow backstroke. Now this can be a little hard because in your head you're trying to get done and you tend to pull the vacuum back rather quickly. I do this a lot, so I try to correct myself, and I'm not perfect at it, but the idea is to be as perfect as you can, right? So if you're what I would think, if you're like a carpet cleaner, you're just starting out, always pre-vacuum your carpet. Always insist on the customer doing a lot of pre-vacuuming. Maybe see if you can, and if it's, this carpet stuff, it might be more beneficial to make these recommendations to a higher end client that cares about their carpet and that cares about the health of their carpet, the health of their environment, right? So that's where the house cleaning comes in. But if you're not doing the house cleaning, maybe a floor maintenance plan. We haven't even touched on the importance of vacuuming hard floors, right? But you can implement that too. I have a bunch of services or clients that we just maintain their floors and carpets, hard floors and carpets. A lot of people in the carpet cleaning industry don't do maintenance programs. They don't do residual type programs, right? They just one and done, and they're hoping that person calls back in 6 months to a year, right? When all along, the most important thing is vacuuming your carpet. That's the biggest thing you can do. That keeps it's the best thing to clean your carpet. It's the best way to maintain the appearance and the health of your carpet, right? It's the most important thing. There's no question about it. The brush method of trying to remove as much dry soil as possible is the most important thing. And then it's the most important thing when you're going to clean the carpet. So when you're cleaning the carpet, whether it's VLM or hot water extraction, very important to get as much dry soil at that moment out of the carpet. I've had it on my videos, but we haven't even touched upon the power vacuuming methods, where we introduce dry brush agitation before vacuuming, right? And you could use a carpet rake, but the machine is better, right? I actually have recommended clients getting the carpet rake all the time. Realtors, they bought it. I don't sell them, but I tell them here's this Amazon link. Get these carpet rakes. It's going to not only improve the appearance of your carpet, but give you more effective vacuumings, and it's going to separate the fibers so you can clean a carpet better, right? You see my videos where I use a rake a lot to not only to help dry it, but to also, when I do the vacuum, to give it a more powerful vacuum, to give it a more efficient vacuuming. So all these things we can do to improve our client's carpet, or to improve your own carpet if you're watching this video. And a lot of carpet guys, they don't do that, right? I always try to do that. House cleaners, they're really good at doing that. The janitorial people, they understand the importance of proper carpet maintenance. It's not just one and done cleanings and blasting a carpet, right? In my area, hot water extraction is very prevalent, and they don't pre-vacuum. They will not pre-vacuum. They don't pre-vacuum, right? So they're basically blasting the carpet with like 500 to 700 PSI, getting in and out of there, shooting the dirt right into the backing of the carpet, into the subfloor. Not good. We want to try to remove as much dry soil and dirt as possible before we do the actual cleaning. It's very important to try to implement programs for your clients. Maintenance programs might be key for clients that care about the health and appearance of their carpet.